Hey there! Are you tired of your app blending into the crowd on the App Store? Want an icon that screams, "Download me," and reflects your app's awesomeness? Well, fret no more, Flutter developers. Today, we'll unlock the secrets of changing your app icon and app name in Flutter, no superpowers required. So, let's get started. We'll use a sample logo named logo.png located in the Assets folder. Now quickly add this folder to our pubspec.yaml file, as shown. Once done, run flutter pub get command. While it's running, let's go to pub.dev and get the Flutter Launcher Icons package, link in the description. Let's quickly add this package to our project, copy the command. Now, let's navigate back to the README tab. Scroll down and find the file name. While you can name the file anything you like, I recommend using the suggested file name for consistency. Go back to the project and create a file named as flutter_launcher_icons.yaml in your root folder. Great. Now, let's navigate back to pub.dev and copy the code, real quick, as shown. Here you can configure app icons for Android, iOS, macOS, Windows, web, etc. Now let's change the image path for all platforms with our logo path, assets/logo.png. Once done, run flutter pub get command. Then go back and copy the flutter pub run flutter_launcher_icons command, as shown, and run the command real quick. This may take a while. While it's running, make sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. And it's done. Let's quickly run the app now and see the new icon. There you have it, Flutter developers. You've successfully changed your app icon and given your app a personality boost. But wait, now let's quickly rename our app. For Android, go to Android folder, then app, then src, then main, and then open Android mainfist.xml and change the app name as shown. For iOS, go to iOS, then runner, and then open info.plist and change the app name there as shown. For Linux, go to Linux, then open my_application, CC, and change the app title there, as shown. For web, go to web, then index.html, and change the title name accordingly. And last, for Windows, go to Windows, then runner, then open main.cpp, and change the app title there, and done. You can also use packages for rename app title. Congratulations, Flutter developers! You've now mastered the art of changing app icons and name in your Flutter projects. Remember, a captivating icon and name can significantly enhance your app's visual appeal and user experience. Leave a comment below with any questions or your favorite app icons. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Flutter development tutorials. See you in the next one.